We, the members of the African Natural Capital Alliance, recognizing the critical role of nature in our continent's well-being and sustainable development, pledge to uphold the following principles and commitments.
We acknowledge the intrinsic value of nature and the essential services it provides for all life on Earth. We understand that the preservation and restoration of natural capital are fundamental for the prosperity of present and future generations.
We recognize that Africa's rich biodiversity and ecosystems are unique and irreplaceable. We appreciate the significance of safeguarding and sustainably managing our natural heritage to support resilient economies, promote social equity, and enhance the quality of life for all Africans.
We affirm our role to establish a distinct voice and actively contribute to the global conversation on nature. We commit to mobilize our resources, expertise, and influence to promote nature-positive practices within and outside of our institutions.
In line with our commitment to a nature-positive African continent, we pledge to take the following actions. We will support initiatives that conserve and restore natural habitats, protect endangered species, and enhance ecosystem services. We will aim to support local communities in doing so.
We'll consider the impacts of our operations on ecosystems, biodiversity, striving for sustainability and resilience. We will integrate the value of nature into our business decisions.
We will explore products and services that promote nature-positive outcomes, and we will encourage investment in sustainable solutions.
We will disclose relevant information on our nature-related risks, opportunities, and initiatives aligning with the international reporting frameworks and best practices.
We will engage in constructive dialogue with policymakers, regulators, and industry peers to advocate for nature-centered policies, regulations, and incentives. We will support development of frameworks that integrate the true value of nature into economic systems.
We will actively participate in platforms, forums, and partnerships that foster collaboration and knowledge sharing on nature-related topics. By signing this Nature Voices Pledge, we, the members of the African Natural Capital Alliance, ANCA, commit ourselves to these principles and actions. We recognize the urgency of our mission and the transformative power of our collective efforts. Together, we will contribute to a sustainable future